Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So today I'm going to do a quick video on my blender. And as you can see, I have a new blender and I'm so excited and so ready to put this blender to use, you guys. But I'm going to tell you all a little bit about each blender. Here is my older blender. I have had this blender for almost 2 years and I got it from Walmart. And it is now on sale for about $9 or $10. I think you can still get it on their website. And then here's the new blender. My fiance got it for me. So they are both Black & Deckers. They're the quiet blenders. This one here is an 800 watt. This is a 900 watt. This is plastic. And it's cracked, so I needed a new one anyways. And then this one is glass. And they both are still 5 cups on each. And then they both still have the same function. So they both have the 3 speeds, the on and off button, the pulse and ice crush button. And then they have the 3 smart functions. So this one is for milkshakes, this one is for ice drinks, and this one is for like smoothies and stuff like that. The new one also came with a little drink serve jar, is what they call it. So this is the front of the box. And then on the side it just shows you like some different things it can crush up. Also comes with a little manual book as well. Not sure where I put it, but it does come with a manual book. And then as far as the top of these, this one has the single, or not the single, but the easy pour spout top. And this one did not, but it had this. I never really used it. But these are normally the buttons that I use, especially when I'm making my iced drinks. It has these have their own little patterns, and I normally always do it 2 times just to make sure like the ice or whatever I put in the cup is blended up. And so, like I said, guys, I'm so excited to use my new blender. So just stay tuned for the next video, and I'm going to show you all another drink in my new blender. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.